It's been a while since I've worked on this bike now because this one was taking a lot of my time, but I decided to start the Shogun today. So I put some fuel in the small bottle that I have, fuel bottle, and I'm going to attempt to start it. So this has not been attempted before on camera, so I'm going to do this for the first time. So you guys have to stay on the tripod for a second. Okay, let me adjust it a bit. Okay, so please keep your fingers crossed while we attempt starting the bike. Okay. Guys, I'm so excited. The bike is actually not only starting but it's also idling. You guys will notice that I have put the old silencer back for now because I could not get a spare flute for the new silencer, and I am not able to remove the one from this silencer. But the bike sounds awesome. It sounds achievement for this week, and thanks all for staying with me so far. Now we have to take the bike for a ride, for a shakedown ride. So that's not gonna happen immediately because this bike has to start next, so I'm going to take the bottle and put it on this one and try to start it. If both the bikes work well, then we have a win-win-win today. So I'll post another video if that bike starts. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.